Are we going?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. Wait, there's only one mic on. And I think it's mine.
Oh, where did we?
I'm doing a focus up, tongue out. Oh, my back. Oh. All right, Gooner time.
Yes.
Is that still with the bundle? Like, can you still get it for your RAM or seat storage?
It might be. Let me check. We're fact checking here, guys. 9600X.
What is science rules?
After we talk about Shopify, today's video sponsor, we'll be diving into it later into video. Oh,
yeah, you said after we talk about Shopify.
I it up.
You got this.
I'll do my thing again. Right. We're going to start with one fan and work our way up to 12 to see is there a difference in temperature. We're going to give big thanks to Shopify for sponsoring today's video. We'll talk more about how you guys can open up your own Shopify store and how we sell stuff using Shopify and how awesome it is for you small business owners to take a look at.
Oh, so you said one fan. You said we're starting with one fan.
I felt like I did so good on the first one.
I felt bad because I'm like, I don't want to cut you off because you're on a roll, but then I was like, God, this is getting long and you're going to have to redo all of it.
I know. That's exactly, yeah, I know. Okay. All right. We're going to work our way up from 0 fans all the way up to 12 fans to see is there a difference in temperature, working our way up from 1 to 2 to 3. No, I'm not even making it so complicated. I'll just make it simple.
Okay,
I got it now.
Same thing with the Shopify card.
Yeah, I know. More on them later and how we use Shopify to sell gaming PCs and other stuff through our PC business and how you guys at home could get into Shopify today for your PC, for your piece.
It's okay, it's okay.
I'm not used to these sponsor editions. It's just
I can't just say after work for
I can't. Damn it!
God.
Damn, I'm broken.
And we're gonna go ahead and go over a quick. We're gonna go ahead and.
You can't even do it.
I'm gonna go.
All right, I got it. This time it's guaranteed. Guaranteed.
100%
Guaranteed.
All right.
But we have to give a big shout out to Shopify for sponsoring today's video. We use Shopify for our PC selling business, and you guys should too if you are owning a business and want to run. Guaranteed.
I just knew when he started talking. I'm like,
guaranteed. It's going off the rails.
all right.
Guaranteed.
Let's rewind. Let's rewind.
Guaranteed.
Now, obviously, there's the last.
The fans.
What the f*** video? Holy shit, it got really quiet in my head. I stopped hearing
all the voices just
I stopped hearing voices for a second.
He said, "What is going on?"
All right.
Let's see if this one.
2. Partition 2.
Yes. Partition 2. All right, we'll see if it boots. It should boot until.
It's actually partition 1.
Were you not recording that entire time? I just heard the camera button, like he turned it on.
I love how we started with the clip of me saying, Jonah, we need to remind him, like, eat before he records, and then something went horribly wrong. We lost half the recording.
Yeah, so, spoiler, we're having issues. But no, Jonah's put the last piece of sandwich in his mouth so he could, it stopped recording.
Do you want to try partition 1?
Yeah.
So we've tried 2 other ones now.
Pause.
Never mind. New egg.
Say.
Hulu. Builds.
Okay, Okay, guys. 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 All right, 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 guys.